Oh, goodness. Hello, everybody. Let me just take a drink. Tasty. So, hi. As you see, I have something up here. I have Clip Studio Paint up and ready to go because I'm already working on some files for something cool that's coming up. I don't know if I'm allowed to say it or not. I don't see why not. I'm hosting my very first panel at Holiday Monstery. So I need to create my slides. And I'm not doing it in a fancy way. I'm doing this in a very simple way. So that way, knock on wood, nothing will go wrong. I'm not going to make it in a fancy PowerPoint. I'm not going to make it a fancy, timed video. I'm just going to create slides that are just pictures. And then I can open up like Windows Media Viewer and then just scroll through the presentation that way. Super simple. So, let's go ahead and begin. I also have some music here. Because just me talking is super boring. Okay, what am I going to start with? Text tool, okay. I'm going to make this center. Alright. I don't know why I keep pushing shift because it's already in caps anyways. Is that text doubled? Why is that doubled? So I started using this font recently because I got a custom happy coat. And this is the font that I chose to put my name as. Basically the same color. But why is it showing a secondary layer? The basics. Oh, that's much better. I wish there was a way to hide the border. Oh my gosh. Hi, Monster King. Thanks for the raid. I was not expecting anybody to show up today because I wasn't planning it or anything. How you doing? How was your stream? What did you do? Half-Life. Interesting. I've seen somebody play Half-Life before. I think it was Silverwolf played Half-Life. How's that going? Did you just start off, or how far in the game are you? Scuffed? Send a, what do you call it? Not a complaint, a tech support to Amelie. See what happens. Near the end, it has been difficult. Yeah, I've seen it. It does look pretty difficult, especially for the time period that it was made, and then trying to play that time period game now. Yeah, sometimes it can be real difficult. So currently, I'm actually just working on a slideshow presentation. Nothing super fancy. I'm hosting a panel at Holiday Monstery. I got approved. So now I got to make my panel. I've had to look up a walkthrough more than once. Oh, yeah. No shame in that, though. There's absolutely zero shame in looking at a playthrough. I wish there was a way to center this. Can I center this whole thing? You know what? That looks fine. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So it's going to be, I'm gonna be the host for this panel, and then also Wild Spice and Silverwolf are actually going to be part of the panel as well. So it's gonna be fun. This is my first one, and I'm looking forward to it. All right. I need to make a new folder. Will do. We're gonna still be playing Final Fantasy IX tomorrow. So if you're able to make that, definitely swing by. My bit rate looks like it's struggling, but I don't know. OBS says it's okay. Twitch Stream Manager says it's in the red. Whatever. Alright, let's see here. Gonna export this. Hall mat panel. Wait, I hit import. I want to export. There we go. Hall mat panel. Cool, there's one. Oh. Let's see here. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Is a Is there a way I can automatically center stuff? Alright. How to center text in Clip Studio Paint. Wait, what is this? Wait. It says select a layer using the layers palette, window. Ah! It's not what I wanted. How do I get like a snap? Control 3? This isn't doing anything. You know what? I'm just gonna... Where's that ruler? That doesn't help me. The grid. That still doesn't help me. Oh, this is a pain in the butt. I'm getting rid of all this. Whatever. You know what? I forgot to do the second slide. Alright, let's see here. Okay, I need a PNG of silver, and I need a PNG of Wild Spice. I've got a couple, and I could be mean, and I could use... Let's see here, pictures. Oh, cool! I've got one of silver. I didn't realize there were so many screenshots in that. Interesting. Alright, so for now... Okay, that's... okay. Cool. Pictures. It'd be really fun if I used that one. Excuse me. Let's see. So for now, what I'm going to do... I don't want to use that one because it's got a hat on. Let me scroll through, see if I can find one. You like how she's just a gremlin on the side? I have secretly kept this file for the sole purpose of causing chaos. Oh my gosh, I could use the Goomba, but nah, that'd be too mean. I'm just going through to see if she did send me an updated version. If not, I'll just use this as a placeholder. Yeah, I don't see anything. Alright, yeah. I'm the one who made the "is this a pigeon" meme with her. Yeah, were you there when I suggested that with when we were playing Final Fantasy? Because I know I mentioned it, and then a few days after it was a thing. So that was great. All right, so I'm going to use text. Let's see, where's the texture? Yeah, it was pretty funny. I might have to rearrange these a little bit, but that's fine. Be kind of funny. It'll be even funnier. Oh wait, that's not what I wanted to do. That'd be kind of funny. Right? Honestly, nah. This will make more sense when I get the PNG, but I'm just trying to figure out. You know what I could do? I could just do this. Although it'd be really funny. Is there a lock layer? Just have her like popping out somewhere. How does that look? Let's see here. Ratatouille style. You know what I'm thinking about doing is just having this as a regular slide. Oh, I need to rename something. Rename. Okay. So what I'll do, just to be funny, I'll have this slide up. Oh, looks good. So what is this? This is operation move. Alright. So what I'll do is I'll have this screen up saying this is who we are. And then afterwards, when we're about to go to the next slide, I'll be like, nope. And this one will disappear and it'll just be her being. You know what? I'm just going to export this one. Alright. Right. I'll just wait. On Saturday of the con is when I'm going to be in full costume, which means I'm going to be wearing stilts. And we're going to take a group picture. I'm going to find a way to get Silver onto some kind of a stepping platform, maybe by some stairs or something. So that way, both of us are much taller. Yeah. I feel like that needs to be over a little bit. Yeah, that works. Yeah, we're just gonna go with this. Cool. All right, so all right, so we got a 4 slide so far. Very nice. And then after that, let's see here. Now I'm trying to figure out the best order to describe like this panel. Like, all right, introduction, the welcome screen, who we are. First question is, I can ask about the questions before I do the panels, like who in here knows what a VTuber is, or who in here likes VTubers, who in here is already streaming, who wants to be a VTuber. So, and I can get to the next question, which would be, what is a VTuber? Well, I could do that one first, and then what is a VTuber? And then I can ask those questions, and then let's see here. This one I could probably do with references. Like, let's see here. I wonder if I would get in trouble for using... Nah, I wouldn't get in trouble for using other VTubers. Let's see here. Are there more than 3 types of VTubers? Because you got the VTuber who's the PNG, like what I'm doing right now, which is basically just 2 images put in the Discord reactive Fugi website. And then I'm just chilling in my private voice channel right now on Discord. There are other programs, but that's what I'm doing right now. So we got PNG, we got Live 2D, and we've got 3D. Is that it? I think that's it. Unless somebody comes up with a revolutionary new type. Let's see here. Oh, I forgot to do this. All right. 3. Why is this bold again? Out here. Three. Does that Y change if I... No, it doesn't. Okay, 3 types. Let's see here. 1. Why is this bold again? Stop making this bold. Did any of these switch back to bold? They did. Boo! I'm gonna have to make those again. One. Oh, 1. PNG. Two. Live 2D. Now it's staying. And 3. D. Oh gosh. It'd be really funny. What font size is this? Let's see here. Let's make that just 38. All right, that works. And then... All right, let me go online and look for some pictures. Let's see here. Why do I keep spelling that with a C? Chloe. Or is it Croc? Chloe Croc. No. I don't want to save it as a web file. I want to save it as... Save image as... No. Boo. Save image as... Yay. Okay, and then let's see here. PNG Live 2D. Let me think. Let's see here. Who is attending Holiday Matsuri? Let me see if I can... Virtual Revolution. What in the world? Join us for the biggest virtual concert in Florida history. Cool. All right, let's see here. Who? You know who I should use? I should use my VTuber model and rigger creator. Let's see here. Yoma Maho. There they are. Let's see here. Stream 2 years ago. Goodness. Birthday stream. I'm going to need to download this so that way I can yeah, so I'll do like a little video and I'll put that as next in there, so that way it could be like, this is what a live 2D model does. But for now, what I'm going to do... Oh. There's a ball toggle. Let's see here. Where's a good place? Oh, that's a good shot. But I think I might try to go... I wish I could get that particular animation. I know y'all can't see it right now. All right, so let me go ahead and input. Let's see here. All right, let's see if I do that. What is this? Nope, I need that. Now you need that. Okay, those two can go. So what am I on now? Now I'm trying to think. You know, not everyone has to start from the beginning. I could start from, like, the most obvious topics, like, what is a VTuber? These are the three these are the three types of VTuber. And you got the PNG, Live 2D, and 3D. Honestly, I think I might just keep it super simple and not do a video. I could, but we'll see. So I'll do this. Let's see here. Export. I was thinking about using some references from guests from Holiday Mastery, but I want to include those who are not present. So let me go ahead and export this one. Now I gotta find a live 2D. Oh, that was gonna be my model creator and I wonder if I can put a animated GIF in here. Ooh. Oh, I can use Ari as the 3D model. All right, let me. I'm just looking real quick. All right, bye, Monster King. Thanks for the raid again, and thanks for hanging out. Sorry, this is kind of boring, but glad you swung by. Have a good one. I don't want to get too distracted by watching. Wow. A rare Monday stream. What's Vidya up to? Oh my gosh, what in the world? You know what? Let me see if Vidya has images. Announcements. Oh, that's beautiful. Trying to find one where it's her avatar along with her name. Not that one. Ah. Why? I just saw a cursed image. And I need to respond to that. Wait, I got mentioned. Why did I get mentioned? Oh, I leveled up to level 6 in this server. Let's go. People are already responding to it. All right. Import. Oh, that's tiny. And I lost track of where I am. Okay, so that's going to be... Live 2D. JP, hello, how you doing? Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Doing okay? That's good. What number is this? All right. I am currently working on a top secret project that you will see in its completion at Holiday Matsuri if you're able to go. If not, it will be on YouTube after the fact. Alright, her stream is distracting me. I'm closing that. Goodbye. Alright, so that one's done. And now I need to export this one. Alright, now I need to find a 3D VTuber. 3D. Who is a 3D VTuber that is not going to be at Holiday Matsuri? Oh, Ari. That's right. And I wish that was a... Oh. Let's see here. Save image as... Hey, it's gonna work. Tiny. Let's go. It works. Alright, so I'm gonna take a look at the let me go ahead and do another window capture. Where's my duplicate? No? Fine. Not display capture. What do I want? Window capture. Cool. So basically, introduction to VTubing, the basics. I gotta fix these because the font was dumb. And then that's just a funny one where Wild Spice is actual size. What is a VTuber? 3 types of VTuber. Oh, I forgot to that's why I go through live 2D and then 3D. And that's all I've got so far. So I need to go here and rename. Oh, I need to start from the back. Okay, now I got things in order. Beautiful. It automatically put it where it needs to be. Oh, what do I let's see here? Let me think here. Okay, all those can go away. I need to redo a couple of the others. See, these are the two I need to fix. So, all I have to do is bring in this. And let's see here. I need to do pictures. I need to bring in me. And then I need to bring in silver. Cool. And now I need to do text. That's not what I wanted to do. And wait, I just spelled that Worlf. Oh, get obliterated. Bye-bye. Okay, so I suppose I can make myself a little bit bigger. Ironically, this is basically what my custom happy coat looks like, except it's more like that. And that's gonna be on the back of my jacket. Or it is on the back of my jacket, and you'll just see it if you're there. Okay, so this one is going to be number... Good. All right, let's go. Introduction to VTubing, the basics. These are your hosts. More accurate. What is a VTuber? And we've got 3 types of VTuber models. Oh, I didn't spell it right. No. Boo. I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slides over again. My goodness, I need to pay more attention to what I'm doing. Alright, just making sure everything is spelled correctly. What is a VTuber? I gotta fix everything and renumber everything and reorganize and... Okay. Now let's try this again. Three, not typers, types of VTuber models. types of VTuber models. Okay. PNG. Two. 2D. Three. 3D. It's gonna be all right, let's see if I can do this correctly this time. All right. Introduction to VTubing, the basics. Darcy May, Silverwolf, Wild Spies. Actual size. What is a VTuber? Three types of VTuber models. We got PNG, featured by Chloe. The Croc. Live 2D. Featured by Vidya. And 3D. Being modeled by Ari. Huzzah. Alright. Next. Marred. Hardware. Let's see here. Gaming PC. Let's find something nice. Excuse me. You know what? That's actually kind of funny. I think I'll use this one. Alright, so we got a PC. Let's see here. And then... You know, this one looks visually striking. No, it's a web file. Boo. Tools type. Not a GIF. I hate that. I typed in iPhone PNG and it still comes up as a web file when I try to save it. Boo. I suppose this will work. Oh, I'm getting notifications. Okay, and then Elgato. Mic. Arm. Please let me be able to save this one. No! The other image was so pretty. Wait a minute. I know what I could do. Where'd my Discord go? Okay, cool. Now, I don't see where the others went. Oh, there we go. Oh, that got relatively large. All right, so what I could do. No, I think I'll do it this way so I can explain it better. Alrighty, let's see here. Computer. Hello, computer. Okay, I think this will be fine. You know, I'm going to condense how many slides there's going to be. Okay, cool. Hello, how you doing? Is it Rebe or Rebe? Alright, so I'm gonna save this one first. Let's see here. Oops, that's the wrong one. There we go. Let's see here. I'm on 10 now. I'm doing great. I'm just currently working on my presentation for my panel at Holiday Matsuri. So, all in all, a pretty boring stream today because it's all just... I'm just coming up with it as I go. I have a basic idea of what's going to happen. But the actual creating everything does take a long time. What have I been streaming for? Almost 2 hours. And I've got 10 slides. But welcome. Welcome. Alright, so I got this one. I gotta do that one. They've been lurking for a while. Oh, I appreciate it. You know, initially I was gonna do the stream without some background music, but I was like, you know what? That would be just like the worst. So I found some nice winter lo-fi. It's actually pretty nice. Hopefully it's true and it's not DMCA, but a lot of these DMCA free playlists have something in there. But what can you do? Alright, so last one. I see that your name has VT in it. Are you also a VTuber? Definitely good vibes. Might be sometimes. Does that mean you're like me and every now and then you'll hit the go live button? Alright. I just realized the W in this font looks like Willy Wonka's W or Wario. Oh, my leg. Alright, let me go through this real fast. Alright, the basics. I have to take long breaks sometimes, so I'm not sure. Hey, I would still consider you a VTuber. I mean, even if you go live, wow, I don't know, who knows how long in between. I mean, think about, I consider Fruit Miyoshi. I don't know if you know Fruit from the former VShojo, but she was gone for like, what, like 2 years or something? She didn't stream for quite a long time. And now she's back. Every now and then she'll pop in and she'll stream, but other than that, you know, I stream. I try to stream at least once or twice a week now, but I mean, I took off months. But as long as if you stream and you use an avatar, I consider you a VTuber. Alright. Introduction to VTubing. That's the intro. That's who's gonna be here. Funny thing. What's VTuber? PNG. Live 2D. 3D. That's so much simpler than what I had before. Hardware. Computer. Cool. All right. At this point, I'm probably going to take a break from making more slides just so I could do some research into the types of programs that can be used, because I know the programs that I use, you know, it's like OBS. I use Live 2D, but if you're using Live 2D, VTube Studio, then you've got to have Steam. If you're using a PNG, there's... You found me from the Iron Mouse presentations? Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. I felt really bad the fact that my video was up for so long because she kept pausing it. And I'm like, why am I still on the screen? I feel self-conscious. Man. I still think it was funny. I think she went to the bathroom at one point, and like I was up there for like 5 minutes on pause or something. Yeah, I figured I'd give something a little bit different instead of an actual presentation of something. You know, I actually don't even remember how she received it, because I remember she kept pausing and talking about stuff. I remember the beginning, most of it. I don't remember the ending, honestly. I need to go back and watch that. It was funny because as I was watching, I think I watched it live, and then I remember somebody in the chat reacting to my raise the timer at the very end, just to be funny. Every now and then, my vocal cords will just stop for no reason, and I'll just automatically start whatever I was saying again. If it's the first letter that it happens on, it'll just sound like it's being doubled. So I saw someone go raise the timer, and I was like, oops. I didn't even notice it. It was funny. Actually, I joined the lottery system to try to do Iron Mouse's meet and greet at Holiday Matsuri. I've actually met her a couple of times when she used to do the VR chat hangouts. What was really funny was that one year, I think it was the summer that, I think it was August. Yeah, because it was near my birthday. I did one of the meet and greets, and I asked if there was anything that she's working on that she's allowed to tell. She's like, well, not that I'm allowed to tell. And then there was 4 of us. She's like, come here. And then she said, I'm going to have an angel model for Christmas. And the 4 of us didn't say a word. And then when she debuted it was her first angel model. I was like, I knew about that. I didn't say anything, but I also didn't know what it was going to look like. So I was like, oh, that's so cool. And I think the one of the other times I met her, it was around Halloween. And I don't know if you watch anime or not, but there is a CG anime called Land of the Lustrous. Not like the weird kind of lustrous, like a gemstone luster. So I always got to clarify that because people are like, huh? Land of the Lustrous is a really, really cool series. I wish they would come up with a second season. But she actually knew about that series, surprisingly. And I happened to have the main character's avatar, but I also had a voice changer to make my voice like super deep. So when it was my group's turn to go hang out, she's like, oh my gosh, you're Fuss from Land of the Lustrous. And I said, yes. She's like, oh my gosh, that's not the voice I expected. It was fun. But yeah, hopefully I get to talk to her again. She might remember the happy coat that I have made, because oh, why isn't it showing up? There we go. So you see my oh, I forgot, you can actually see me in the corner. I had a Japanese festival coat made, and it's got my VTuber face on it, and it's got this exact font and color, basically. So Who knows? Maybe she might recognize me. Maybe not. I also did the lottery to try to get into Mint Phantoms meet and greet, but we'll see. We'll see for both of those. Let's see. How long have you been watching Iron Mouse? I'm pretty much done with my slides for the moment. Yeah, that would be fun. Like 5 years or more. Nice. Yeah, I forgot when I started watching. About what time? Yeah. Me too. I know I started watching. I first discovered her. Oh gosh. I don't even remember why I Googled this. I think it was when I started getting back into anime, and then I started watching stuff and I started Googling stuff on YouTube, and I think I researched something about cat girls or cat girl anime or something that somebody told me, and I couldn't remember the name of it. And I was like, that's the only thing they told me. And the first thing that popped up was the read-through of Nekopara 2 with Lost Paws, Nags, Melody, Iron Mouse, and Yanners. That was the first time I had really got introduced into the VTubing sphere. That was a wild ride. Around that time, I think, is when I discovered the former company that they were with. And yeah, it just grew from there, and then I spread out to other VTubers, and now I am one. I think I became a VTuber in 2020. Yeah, because I think I started streaming in 2020, and then I was like, yeah, I don't like making myself look quote-unquote good for the camera every time, especially when I come home from work. I'm like, what? But, so I became a VTuber pretty quickly. Different design, but with my lore, I can be anything, so I guess it worked out, but I remember the first time I actually watched Iron Mouse live, because I didn't know about Twitch until something. I don't remember. Oh, my friend Sylvan, he was the one that I saw in VR chat running around in this tiny little avatar streaming. I was wondering what he was doing. And he told me all about streaming and everything, and got me into it. And that's when I found out that these people I watch on YouTube stream live. And I remember I was at work and I saw that Iron Mouse was live. And that was the time that I think something happened to her desk, and she put like a donation goal to get a new desk. And the goal was reached within like minutes. So I remember that one. Why am I so hungry? I should probably eat just a little more before I go to bed. Well, let me see who is live. Oh, I haven't seen you on in a while.
The tables.
Okay,
here.
so there's a
Especially
coffee cup.
My friend showed me Iron Mouse when she was doing a stream for charity for the IDF. The Iron Mouse Defense Force. I was going through a lot of medical stuff myself. I think that's why she showed her, or why he showed her to me. It reached me for sure. Ah. Charity for the IDF. Charity. It wasn't the charity. What was it her subathon, or was it mix up letters a lot? No, it's all good. Honestly, my screen for reading chat's kind of far away, and it's only half the size of the screen right now, so it was like, oh. A long time ago. It wasn't one of the ones that she did with Connor, one of the auctions, was it? Because honestly, I think I started watching Iron Mouse before she met Connor. Yeah, those charity auctions are pretty fun. It is a shame that it was so expensive just to put on. I do like the cyclothons, though. Those are pretty fun. I was just going through all the timeline in my head. It's like, oh my gosh. So much has happened. Oh my gosh. I just realized. I think... I think I saw that on for Holiday Matsuri. They said that Giga and Matara are gonna have their own booth. I don't know if they're gonna be there virtually or if they're gonna be there in person. I don't know if Giga goes to stuff in person. I think Matara has a few times. I know Matara's gone a few times in person to cons, but I don't know if she would go from where she is all the way down here. Froggy did last year, which was a surprise. That was the first time she had her frog suit. But if Giga is actually there in person, I heard that she's, what is it, 4'10"? I don't know, but in my costume that I wear at conventions every now and then, I'm in stilts. I'm 6 foot normally. In stilts, I'm 7'4". I don't think Giga would do pictures, but oh, that would be very, very funny. Anyways. I would love to keep talking, but I do need to get some stuff done before I go to bed because I saw what's in store for me at work tomorrow. It's a lot. So I'm gonna raid. Alrighty. I'm gonna raid out to Vicky Violet. Thank you all so much for coming to hang out. Tomorrow I am continuing Final Fantasy IX with Wild Spice. Come check out the shenanigans. And then after I do some more research into the continuation of my panel, I will go live when I work on it some more. So here we go. Gonna raid out. Thank you all. Bye-bye.